Alright, I got a package in the mail. Just want to make a quick video and give thanks to Car Use Design. This is for the spoiler on my 8th gen Honda Civic. It's kind of like a duck lip. Yeah, let's go ahead and fit it on real quick. I work at a dealership and look at the car that let me bring home last night. Yee! Alright, so this is gonna sit right up here. I'll go ahead and take it out of the package. Wow, that looks fucking dope. That looks hella good. Holy fuck, that looks hella good. I just added this LED badge to my trunk too. This one's a little too big. It's not like the front one, but that one's pretty cool because that one's nice and thick, and it actually has threaded rivets on there. Versus like this one, which is plastic. This one's thinner, and it has little plastic stems on them, which break all the time. That's why this sucker is glued on there. Oh, not that fucking glued. But I did order another one for the front. And for the rear, maybe a skinnier one. I don't know, we'll see. But this video is not on that. It is on this. That shit is dope. It looks hella good. And the fitment, whew, fucking excellent. It looks hella good. Look at that. And then it has a little loop at the bottom. Sheesh. This sucker looks dope. Thank you, Car Use Designs. I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.